Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I have the Philips Bodygroom Series 5000. This is an electric razor from the Philips brand, which I got from Amazon.ca for about 62 Canadian dollars after tax. And the reason why I'm reviewing it today is because it has a lot of great features. Now these features include a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which on a full charge lasts up to an hour, and it also takes an hour to fully charge. So there happens to be a 1-to-1 ratio in the amount of time you spend charging and shaving. Aside from that, it is also shower-proof, which in their own words defines it as fully water resistant. So there shouldn't be any issues if this electric razor makes contact with water. And this is great because you can use this in the shower or even completely rinse it off in the sink. And the final feature I would like to bring up is the accessories they include with the product. Now these accessories include a back attachment which extends the handle of the razor by 35 centimeters, which is meant to give you better reach when shaving your back. Also, they include 3 of their body combs, which are attachments for the head of the razor that allows you to shave your hair at different lengths. These lengths include 3mm, 5mm, and 7mm respectively. Now we'll move on to the unboxing of the product. When we look around the box, we can see all the features this product has to offer. That includes all of which I spoke of before and a couple of new ones, such as the ergonomic design, the bidirectional design of the razor, and the skin-friendly shaver, all of which I'll talk about in my personal review later on in the video. Also, this box happens to be made of at least 75% of recycled material, which is always great to hear. Once we open up the box, we see a couple of different compartments where all the items are stored. These items include the electric razor, the charger, the back attachment, the user manual, and the body combs. Now, before I get to my personal review of the product, I will first demonstrate the effectiveness of the razor. I'll shave the hair off my left arm little by little, starting with the 7mm attachment and then going down from there in terms of length. I will also go over the shaving area a few times to ensure that the razor has made contact with most of the hairs. So without further ado, here are the results. Now that you guys have seen the performance of the electric razor up front, I will move on to talk about my personal experience while using it. So I've used this electric razor on a couple of different occasions now. Most of the time it was during a shower, and I found the performance to still be decent, even when working with wet hair. Also, the thing that makes this product unique is the fact that it has 2 electric razors on either side and a foil grill in the midsection. The purpose of the foil grill is to give you a very close shave, and in my experience it does just that. And it's a decent replacement from a regular razor. So if you are the kind of person who completely shaves off the hair on your arms, legs, chest, or back, this is definitely a good option. Moving on to the back attachment of the razor, it was a completely new experience for me since I've never tried to shave my back before, but it ended up being very useful since it was very light and didn't have any loose parts, which made it very easy to move around and to identify where it is at a given time. As for the body comb attachments, they also work quite well. I mostly use them only when shaving my nether regions. I have read reviews from others who directly use this electric razor without any body comb attachments down there. But personally, I don't trust any electric razor enough to do that. What I like to do is to get the bulk of the hair down using an electric razor with a body comb attachment, and then switch to a regular razor such as the Gillette Fusion to get a clean shave. So that's going to be it for my personal review. There aren't really any negative things that I'd like to say about this electric razor, but one thing that I would ask them to improve on is the amount of time needed to charge up the device. 1 hour of charging to only receive 1 hour of use could be a lot better, and it was quite frustrating at certain points. Anyways guys, that's going to be the video for today. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer those questions if I can. and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.